I did transfer to Bowling Green. I kind of did feel like it was a population that wasn't really talked about. So when I came here and I started to get to know people a little bit better, I actually met a few people through some classes and through the tour guide program later in my experience at BG who actually transferred here. And then I've also had friends who decide that Bowling Green isn't the place for them and they also transfer. So it's kind of neat to talk about different experiences with transferring with other students who either are coming or going, and either way it's kind of just nice to hear that everyone's kind of finding the better fit for themselves. And it's so cool to talk about my experience with other people because a lot of people don't know what it's like to be a transfer student. So sharing, like, people are always asking me, like, why do you love this place so much? And I'm like, well, I've been to another place and I didn't love it. So when I came here, it was like a whole new world, and it was kind of like a heaven on earth, like being able to find where I'm actually supposed to be. So transferring was one of the best things that ever happened to me. And then that whole community in itself, we're all kind of in like the same boat with that.